to watch the flowers, stop to watch them grow. 'Cause all of your minutes and hours will soon be gone. And one day you'll pick up your children for the very, very last time. So open your heart and fill it with the light. Before the moment turns into nostalgia, before the bones in our bodies grow old, before we turn back to stars, let me hold you before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone. Time never stops, not for no one. A minute we're here, then we're not. So hold on to times that are golden before they're gone. Before the moment turns into nostalgia, before the bones in our bodies grow old, before we turn back to stars, let me hold you before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone. Another year on, happy birthday. Another journey round the sun. So hold on to ones that are golden before they're gone.
This dance is called Before It's Gone, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly and Maggie Gallagher. It's a 16 count, 4-wall, intermediate level, rolling count, line dance. Let's now take all restarts in this dance. Session 1, starting with the left foot. Forward and drag your right foot. Open body slightly to left diagonal. Forward, step forward. Pivot 3/8 turn right, facing 430. Forward point, hold. Behind, quarter turn left, side rock, recover, facing 130. Back with a hook. 1/8 turn right, stepping forward, square up to 3 o'clock. Full turn to right. Half turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Forward rock, recover with a swing. Session 2, left foot, sailor step. Behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward, step forward. Forward with a quarter turn left, hit your right foot. Into a half turn right, twinkle step, cross. Quarter turn right, stepping back, quarter turn right, stepping together. Push off and step left foot to left side and sway to left, sway to right. Forward with a hitch, back, back rock, recover. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and Last count. Now let me show you the ending. The last wall will be wall 8. You will be facing 9 o'clock. Do 14 count, then do an ending. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6. These are 14 count. Then for the ending, stay left foot to left side and drag your right foot and put your right hand on your heart. Last ending. Last whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.